Okay, so a little bit more on the forging process so that you can get a better view, preferably without cooking my tablet. Not yet ready. A dull orange color is not what you need. Also, the thing with the two holes in it, it turns freely. It's your breathing apparatus for your forge. When it's working properly, that's what your forge looks like. When it's not, well, obviously that's not what your forge looks like. So, there you go. As soon as the forge heats up my piece of steel that I'm working on again, I will show you what I mean. But as you can see, the forge is open, the breathing holes are right where they need to be, and we got flames just shooting around. Normally this would be considered a bad thing and we'd be calling the fire department. Hey, we're doing it on purpose this time, so it's okay. Now, like I said, as soon as it comes out, I'll pound on it for a little bit, and you guys will be able to see just how much the breathing nozzle, hose, piece of metal thing, I don't know what you call it. But anyway, you'll see how much it moves, and you'll understand why you don't want to have your forge and your anvil on the same scaffold. Alright. Currently, I am forging out the tang. It's gonna be a little weird, but there you go. This is what happens when you use a bolt. As stated earlier in this video, you're gonna want to let it get good and hot. That dull orange color I showed you the last time that was glowing really brightly, not what you want. What you want is this. Now, oh camera lady, oh camera lady, that would be you, get over here. See the nozzle? Here we zoom in, it's completely out of whack. Now, fortunately, you're in between flames. Now I don't know if you could hear the change. Doing that increases the airflow, thus increasing the temperature and the flame and the whole 9 yards. Okay, you're not going to be able to see it, but this part at the top, okay, that's where the main nozzle is. It's got this tiny little pinhole that the propane comes out of. It goes down the tube, directly into the forge, and, well, you can see the results. Now, the reason that you want to keep the thing pretty much wide open, so far as I can tell at this present time, keeping in mind, this is day 2, is that looking at it, I'm using less propane to do this than I was yesterday when I first tried it out. And honestly, it's lit on fire a lot less. So, bonus! You would not think that this hammer would be very good, but it is. It works really well for really fast hitting, and it moves the metal, so long as you're using something small. This one, obviously, you're a little bit more frustrated. You want the metal to move a little faster, and then, because I said so. I have my forge facing this direction because I'm primarily right-handed, and it'll allow me to get a nice little curve on whatever it is I'm pounding on, because I hold it with my left hand. bad I can't figure out some sort of filter to allow you to see what's going on inside the forge.